In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the D3D11 error message, which usually occurs when playing Fortnite, but it can also occur on other games as well. So if you're getting an error message like the one displayed on the screen now, what you need to do is head over to the Start menu on your computer and search for Adjust the Appearance. Then select Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. Click on the Advanced tab at the top, and underneath Virtual Memory, select Change. In this window here, make sure you have custom size selected like so, and you're going to change the number in initial size to 1024. Then for the maximum size, you need to times 1024 by the number of RAM you have available on your computer. So for example, on my PC, I have 8 GB of RAM. So what I'm going to do is head over to the calculator on my computer, and I'm just going to times 1024 times by the number 8 and hit enter, which is 8,192. So I'm going to type that in here. Now obviously if you have 16 GB of RAM on your computer, then you would need to times 1024 times 16, or whatever number RAM you have on your PC. So once you've set these two numbers here, click the set button like so, and then go ahead and press yes to confirm. So just changing this should have now fixed that error message, but if you are still getting an issue, what you can do instead is head over to the Start menu and search for Device Manager, and then click on the Device Manager window. Click on Display Adapters from the list and expand the drop-down, and you need to locate your graphics card underneath Display Adapters. Then all we're going to do is right-click on your graphics card and select Disable Device. Then press Yes to confirm. And then what you need to do is re-enable this device just by right-clicking back on it, and you can select Enable Device. Once you've made these changes, you'll then need to restart your computer, and that should have now solved the error message. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.